I'm Heather.
I'm Nate.
And this is Lacey. We're going to Ostrichland.
Don't forget the emus.
Just a couple miles out of Solvang, California, there's a place called Ostrichland. And you can take your dog and feed the ostrich.
Don't forget the emu.
Sorry, Lacey, those aren't real.
I'll grab some food so we can feed these guys.
First, we have to read the instructions.
I guess we better make sure to hold on tight.
Yeah, after reading that, I'm a little scared. I don't want to get pecked. Oh my goodness, this place is really big.
I see why they give instructions. This ostrich is a little aggressive.
That was a little rude. This one seemed to be a little camera shy, but he still wanted some food.
I got risky holding the food with one hand, so I had to hold on extra tight when they tried to grab it.
You can see the bowls on the ground where they successfully grabbed them from others. That one was very polite to let the other one in.
This looks like me. Just one more. Well, maybe one more. Well, maybe one more.
Hey, there's a squirrel on their water trough. Oh no, Lacey, we're not chasing squirrels.
Finally, the emus get their turn. Now that one's just teasing you, isn't it, Lacey?
There were lots of signs to remind you you're in Ostrichland.
And still nothing about the emus.
Lacey did so good with the birds. I think she was just more jealous we weren't feeding her.
Is it your turn? No, I think it's my turn. No, wait, it's your turn.
I think this guy wants me to get the camera out of his face so he can eat. And when I stuck my hand over to get a good camera shot, these guys told me I was too close.
Lacey's doing her best to look like an emu so she can get some of that food. They're telling her she'd do better if she posed like an ostrich. A table but no chairs. I guess not too many people want to eat to the smell of ostrich and emu.
that's the last of our food bowl. And apparently, since we didn't give Lacey any, she thought she'd go find her own. Thanks for going to Ostrichland with us.